Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a method on how you can earn money online using AI without knowing any special skills. Today, I'm going to talk about how you can use AI, like ChatGPT, to write sales copy and make some serious cash. Stay till the end of the video and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything in the future. Now, you might be wondering, what is sales copy and why is it so important? Well, sales copy is basically the text that you use to persuade someone to buy a product or service. It's what you see on websites, in emails, and in ads. And the good news is that there are plenty of people out there who are willing to pay good money for someone to write their sales copy for them. Just take a look at Fiverr, for example. There are tons of freelancers on there who offer sales copywriting services for anywhere from $5 to $500 or more. Take a look at this one. She makes more than $500 for every client. 1,500 people liked her service. Now multiply $500 by 1,500. She already made $750,000. That's serious money. But here's the thing, writing sales copy can be a difficult and time-consuming task, especially if you're not a professional writer. That's where ChatGPT comes in. This AI-powered chatbot is designed to help you write high-quality, persuasive sales copy in just a matter of minutes. All you have to do is provide some basic information about the product or service you're promoting, and ChatGPT will take care of the rest. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze your input and generate compelling sales copy that is designed to grab the reader's attention and persuade them to take action. Look at this, for example. I told ChatGPT to write me a sales copy for selling watches. And ChatGPT is doing his magic. Now you can just copy this and send it to your client. That easy. If they didn't like any part, you can just tell ChatGPT to make changes in any part you want. The best part is, you can make some serious money by offering sales copywriting services on platforms like Fiverr. All you need is a basic understanding of how to use ChatGPT, and you can start writing sales copy for clients in no time. If you don't know how to use ChatGPT, check out my previous video. So there you have it, guys. Using AI like ChatGPT to write sales copy can be an incredibly easy way to make money online. If you're interested in learning more, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Chill.